Hi folks, today I'm going to share a simple technique that will instantly boost your sales. Now when I was working at a business publication a few years ago, I noticed something interesting. When a potential client calls and my team member asks this simple little intro, Charles is our expert in digital marketing and he's very experienced in the field. I'm certainly he can help you too. Now with that magical sentence, the closing rate of the sale was normally around 80%. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when you highlight a team member's capabilities, expertise, or experience to potential clients. With this simple extra info, you add this into the introduction and then it can drastically favor your sales outcome. Now, the premise is, of course, they need to speak the truth. So try this out on your next conference call and say it with sincerity and energy. Now, for those of you that need more research-based proof, let me share one with you. Very well-known social scientist and author Robert Cialdini wanted to help one of his clients that's in the real estate business. So they wanted to test the impact of the person highlighting another person's expertise. So here's the test. Whenever somebody called the company about renting or selling a property, the receptionist will get the reason for their call and then patch them through. Pretty standard stuff. So here's scenario number one. Receptionists will not mention the agent's ability, expertise, or experience. Scenario number two, when the receptionist receives a call, they will highlight the agent's capabilities before transferring the call. Something simple like this. Let me put you through to Haley. She looks after the commercial property portfolio and has 10 years experience in the area. She's definitely the best person to advise you. The result was pretty impressive. After a short space of time, the firm's sales increased by 15%. Now that you know this awesome technique, go out there and make more sales. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next week.